Good morning, dear children. Every day at school teaches us something new, not just from books, but from our habits too. Now it's time for the science experiment in the laboratory. The teacher gives students simple materials to perform an exciting experiment. The good student girl listens carefully to the teacher's instructions. She follows every step patiently and works safely. She observes the results closely and writes down what she learns. Her experiment works perfectly, and she feels proud of her effort. The bad student boy does not listen to the instructions properly. He starts playing with the materials and mixing things randomly. Soon, his experiment doesn't work, and everything becomes messy on the table. He feels confused and doesn't understand what went wrong. Careful learning leads to success. Carelessness leads to mistakes. Now, the teacher starts explaining an important lesson. The good student girl writes her notes neatly in her notebook. Her handwriting is clear, and she highlights important points with colors. Later, when she studies, the notes are easy to read and understand. The bad student boy writes quickly and carelessly. His handwriting is messy, and he skips many important points. Later, when he tries to study, he cannot understand what he wrote. Neat notes help you learn better. Messy work makes studying difficult. Now the recess bell rings. Students run outside to relax and play. The good student girl shares her snacks with friends and speaks kindly to everyone. She plays fairly and includes everyone in the game. Because of her friendly nature, everyone likes playing with her. The bad student boy pushes others, grabs toys, and argues during games. Soon, other children stop playing with him because of his behavior. He ends up standing alone. Kindness makes friends. Rude behavior pushes friends away. During the lesson, the teacher explains a difficult topic. The good student girl politely raises her hand. She asks the teacher to explain the part she did not understand. The teacher happily explains again, and now she understands the topic clearly. The bad student boy feels confused but stays silent. He feels shy to ask questions. Later, during homework, he struggles because he never asked for help. Asking questions help you learn. Silence keeps confusion. At the end of the day, the teacher gives homework to the class. The good student girl carefully writes the homework in her notebook. She listens attentively and notes every instruction. When she goes home, she completes the homework responsibly. The bad student boy is busy talking with friends and doesn't write the homework properly. Later, at home, he cannot remember what the teacher assigned. The next day, he comes to school without completing his homework. Responsibility leads to success. Carelessness leads to problems. Children, every little choice you make in school helps shape the person you will become. Listening to your teacher, helping classmates, writing neat notes, asking questions, doing homework on time, and showing kindness to others, these simple habits create a good student. But being careless, ignoring lessons, or not respecting rules can slowly turn into bad habits. So always ask yourself, am I choosing to be a good student today? Remember, small good habits can lead to big success in life. Choose the right path, learn with curiosity, and grow every day. Because a good student today becomes a smart and successful person tomorrow.
If you enjoyed watching the video, then give a like and subscribe to our channel.